In this video, I'm going to show you how to start earning hundreds of dollars every single day promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for this CPA marketing course and you can start earning passive income every single day with these strategies. So the first thing you want to do is to basically go over to digistore24.com if you don't have an account already. And all you just need to do is to click on the register now button to create an account for absolutely free. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. And if you're not seeing this on the dashboard, you want to look for a section that says marketplace and you want to click on marketplace. And once you do so, you are going to see varieties of products that you can promote from Digistore 24. So the first thing you want to do here is to basically check out the categories on the left hand section of this page where you can select any product and start promoting. So now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example, but you can use any niche of your choice. So if I click on health and fitness, as you can see, there are 115 products available under the health and fitness category. So the first thing you want to do is to check out the popularity of this product because this tells you if other people are earning money promoting this product. And as you can see, the first product is going to pay you $26 for every single sale you make on this product. And if you scroll down, you are going to see there are other products that you can use as well. So basically, I'm going to be taking this product as an example to show you how to do this strategy. And it doesn't matter, you can use other categories right here, like the internet marketing and e-business, like the animal and pet, dating and relationship. It doesn't matter, you can replicate the same strategy with any niche and any product on Digistore 24. So now moving on, I'm going to select this product and all you just need to do is to click on the link right here to copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your link, you want to head over to this website called pastelink.net. So this is the website you are going to be using to promote this product. Okay, so once you come over here, you want to click on create here to create an account on pastelink.net and it's absolutely free. So once you create your account, it's going to look like this. So the next thing you want to do here, you want to type in a title that resonates with whatever product you are promoting on Digistore 24. Since we are promoting a keto meal plan product, you want to type in something that resonates with keto meal plan. So you want to type in a title like this: best keto recipes to lose weight. And for this section, you want to also type in something simple like click here to learn the best keto recipes to lose weight. So once you do that, you want to come over to this website cut.ly and you want to shorten your Digistore 24 link. So once you shorten your link, all you just need to do is to click on copy to copy your Digistore 24 link. So once you copy the link, you want to paste the link right here and you want to scroll down and you want to click on I am not a robot and you want to click on publish. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on copy. So once you copy the link, so if you go to a new tab and paste in the link, as you can see, this is what people are going to see. And so once they come over to this page and they click on this link, as you can see, it's going to bring them to the keto meal plan page. All right. And once they purchase the product on this page, you are going to earn a commission of $26. All right. So basically, this is how easy it is to use this website as a landing page. And I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic to this page with a very simple method. So the next thing you want to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in this short string right here, sitequora.com, how to lose weight with keto diet. All right. So once you do that, you are going to basically have access to questions that are ranking on Google. As you can see, this one right here has 52 answers and this one has 8 answers, 5 answers, 1 answers. So basically, this is the reason why you need to use Google instead of just going over to Quora to search for these questions. So once you do this, you are going to see questions with less than 10 answers that is going to increase your chances of getting seen and getting traffic. So basically, you are going to see a lot of questions with little answers on this page. And those are the questions you want to target on Quora. Okay, so basically, you can see this is another question right here. What are some healthy foods for 2023 diet plan? So basically, as you can see, it has just 4 answers. As you can see, this is also a recent question. So now what you want to do is very simple. So I'm going to take this question as an example. So whatever question you find on Google, you want to click on that question. All right. So once you click on the question, you want to basically just click on answer. And once you do that, so the next thing you want to do is to basically come over to Google and you want to type in chat GTP. You want to click on the first link. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You want to type in a short question like this. What are the best keto recipes for weight loss? And remember, this is because we are promoting a keto meal plan product. That is the reason why you want to type in a question that is related to keto recipe. All right. So once you type in the question, you want to click on send. And as you can see right here, chat GTP is automatically generating the answer for us that we are going to be using on Quora for absolutely free. So you want to wait for a couple of seconds for chat GTP to generate the answer for you. So it took about 5 seconds. And as you can see, this is the answer. So all you just need to do is to copy all of this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this answer. All right, so once you copy this, then you want to go back to Quora and you want to paste in the answer right here. As you can see, this is very easy and very simple to do. So now once you do this, you want to come to the bottom of this page and you want to paste in the link to this Digistore 24 product. So you want to paste in something simple like, if you want to see another fast and safe way of losing weight with this keto meal plan, click here. So what you want to do from here, you want to highlight this and you want to click on this font icon and then you want to click on link. Now you want to go over to this website and you want to copy this link. All right. So I don't recommend you promoting your direct Digistore 24 link because that may cause Quora to ban your answer. Okay. So now you want to basically paste in the link to this website right here. As I showed you earlier, this website is going to serve as a landing page. And once people come over here, they are going to see these best keto recipes to lose weight. And if they click on this, they will be taken to the Digistore 24 product. So once you do that, you want to click on add. And here you want to click on post. All right. As you can see right here, my answer went through without any problem with Quora. So basically you can see this is this answer live under this question without any problems. So if I click on this link, so like I showed you earlier, it's going to bring me to this page. So if I click on this link, boom, as you can see, it's going to bring me to the product page. All right. So basically people just need to look at this video and they are going to learn everything they are going to gain from this product. And once they purchase this product, you make $26. So basically, this is a very simple and easy strategy that you can use even as a complete beginner to start earning passive income on Digistore 24. So basically, you can use this for any given niche or any category that you decide to go with. So basically, you want to go back to Google and you want to answer as many questions as possible using chat GTP. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.